Hello people, this is Top Stories with Ray. I have news from Beijing, China. I have news that say about the flood that is going on there. More than 1,000 people has been rescued from rushing flood waters in eastern China after a dike burst on the Fu River in Jiangxi province. The Xinhua news agency reported about 35,000 people had to flee the area because of the rushing water. The news agency said this new flooding comes as heavy rains have battered 9 Chinese provinces, including Fujian, Jiangxi, and Yunnan provinces, in the last 2 weeks. Devastating floods have already killed 199 people and left another 123 missing. The news said. Xinhua reported, quoting a Ministry of Civil Affairs statement. More than 29 million have been affected, with almost 2.6 million evacuated from their homes, Xinhua said. Total economic losses could reach 42.12 billion yuan, that's 6.17 billion, with 1.6 million hectares of farmland flooded and 12.5% of crops destroyed. So there's a big flood that is going on in China. A lot of people have been rescued. A lot of people have been removed from the area, and this flood is still going on over there, and there are big losses. So stay tuned for upcoming news in Top Stories with Ray. Thank you.